Girls, the truth is simple. Model-like faces are not created by genetics. They're created by habits. आपका face shape, skin quality, symmetry, expression, सब improve होता है if you know the right science. Today, I'm giving you the 5 most underrated hacks that genuinely upgrade your facial structure and presence. Not filters, not luck. Actual transformation. Hack 1. Sculpted jawline through daily tension reset. Most girls waste time doing random jawline exercises. Model-like definition doesn't come from overworking the jaw. It comes from managing tension and activating the right support muscles. Here's the real formula. Tongue posture. Keeping the tongue on the palate lifts your mid-face. Neck elongation improves your lower face angles. Tension release around your masseter reduces bulkiness. Breathing through the nose naturally tightens your facial structure. हर morning 2 minutes का tension reset कर लो, your jaw becomes sharper, your face becomes tighter, and your expression becomes more confident. This is a long-term structural change, not a temporary flex. Hack 2. Eyebrow architecture that frames your whole identity. Your eyebrows shape how people read your face. Not many girls know this, but straight, elongated brows create a lifted, expensive, high-fashion look. Why? Because they reduce roundness in the face. They open the eye area. They create a slicker facial silhouette. They make you look more composed and powerful. आपको heavy makeup की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Just correct shaping and grooming, suddenly your entire expression becomes high-end. Spend time understanding your brow length, thickness, and angle. Hack 3. Light positioning, the hidden modeling hack. Every model, every influencer, every beauty campaign relies on one secret: smart lighting. Your face can look average or stunning based on one factor: light direction. To enhance your natural angles, keep the light slightly above eye level. Use soft, diffused lighting, avoids harsh shadows. Never use light from below, it destroys symmetry. For photos, tilt your chin slightly upward toward the light. Lighting से naturally cheekbones contour होती है, jawline sharper लगती है, and your eyes look brighter without makeup. This is a hack that instantly shifts you from average selfie to model face energy. Hack 4. Upward energy posture, the real attractive aura. Models don't just have good faces, they have presence. Presence comes from posture. When your chest collapses, your chin drops, and your shoulders cave inward, your face automatically looks dull, tired, and unstructured. When you correct posture, your neck looks longer. Your jawline is more visible. Your cheekbones pop. Your eyes look more alert. Your aura feels confident. Girls, posture is not body language, it's facial language. और जब आपकी एनर्जी अपवर्ड होती है, आपका फेस naturally attractive दिखता है. No product can replace the impact of posture. Hack 5. Skin barrier overhaul, the real model skin formula. Model-level skin is not about having zero texture, it's about having a strong skin barrier. A damaged barrier makes your face look tired, older, and uneven. A healthy barrier makes the face glow, plump, and uniform, which automatically enhances facial harmony. You only need 3 things. A gentle cleanser, no stripping, no foaming overload. A ceramide or peptide moisturizer repairs your barrier. SPF 50 every single day, the real anti-aging tool. Barrier सही हो जाता है, तो pigmentation, acne marks, dullness, सब काम हो जाता है. And your face naturally looks cleaner, fresher, and more model-like. This is the foundation of a model face, not 10-step routines. If you start applying all 5 with discipline, your facial structure, energy, and glow will shift in 30 days.